Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 9 is organized by Modern English School, Navada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Navada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 1.5 of NCERT chapter 1 number system. One question is written on this board is question number 1. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. क्लासिफाई क्लियर करना है कि क्वेश्चन में गिवन नंबर्स आर रेशनल और irrational. So first question is question number 1. 2 minus root 5. Students, 2 is a rational number and root 5 is a irrational number. We know that the sum of one rational and one irrational is irrational. We know that the difference of one rational and one irrational is irrational. So here difference of two numbers, one is rational and other is irrational. So difference of one rational and one irrational is a irrational. So 2 minus root 5 irrational number हुआ. एक रेशनल और एक इरेशनल का जब डिफरेंस फाइंड करते हैं तो उसका सब्ट्रैक्शन, उसका डिफरेंस इरेशनल नंबर होता है. सो 2 minus root 5 is irrational. Next, 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. Solve it. Equal to 3 plus, remove the bracket, 3 plus root 23 minus root 23 plus root 3 minus root 3 is cancelled. So result is 3. 3 is a rational number, clear? So question number 2 of 1 is rational. It is rational. Next, 2 by root 2 root 7 by 7 root 7. So 2 root 7 by 7 root 7. Root 7 by cancel. So it changed into 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is in the form of p by q. 2 by 7 p by q के फॉर्म में है, a by b के फॉर्म में है. 2 and 7 both are integers. So 2 by 7 is a rational number. Rational. Question number 4. 1 by root 2. We know that the quotient of one rational and one irrational is a irrational number. So 1 by root 2 is irrational. Two pi, clear? Pi, the value of pi 22 by 7 is rational and pi is a irrational number. हम जानते हैं कि पाई एक irrational number है. So 2 pi is also a irrational number. So 2 pi irrational. Understand and write. Students, next question is question number 2. Simplify each of the following expressions. 1. 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 3. 2. 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. 3. Root 5 plus root 2 का whole square. Students, 3 questions right here and simplify 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. A plus B into B plus C. Multiply here. First of all, 3 से 2 plus root 5 को multiply करना है. So 3 into 2 plus रूट टू. Now plus रूट थ्री इंटू टू प्लस रूट टू. मतलब टू प्लस रूट टू को एक बार थ्री से और उसके बाद फिर प्लस रूट थ्री से मल्टीप्लाई करना. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई थ्री टू जा सिक्स प्लस थ्री रूट टू. ना रूट थ्री इंटू टू रूट थ्री प्लस रूट थ्री इंटू रूट टू रूट सिक्स. This is the answer of this question. Now cancel it. 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6 answer. Question number 2 is 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. A plus B into A minus B. यह एक आइडेंटिटी के फॉर्म में A plus B into A minus B. So A square minus B square equal to 3 square minus root 3 square. 3 square 9 minus root 3 square 3 equal to 6 answer. And third question is root 5 plus root 2 का whole square of root 5 plus root 2. That means A plus B का whole square. It is also an identity. So A plus B का whole square. A square root 5 का square plus 2AB. So 2 into root 5 into B to root 2 plus root 2 का square. Root 5 square 5 plus 2 into root 5 into root 2. So 2 root 10 plus root 2 square means 2. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus root 10 answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is very important question. Question number 4. If we present under root 9.3, root 9.3 on the number line. So first of all, draw a line segment AB equal to 9.3 unit. AB equal to 9.3 unit. 9.3 unit, only U. सबसे पहले AB 9.3 यूनिट ले लेना है, ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट AB produce and take a point C. BC also 1 unit. BC 1 unit. अब AC को find the midpoint of AC. Find the midpoint of AC. Find the midpoint of AC. It is O. Take center O and radius OA. Draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle. Sorry. Semicircle. Diameter AC. Now point B, from B draw a perpendicular BD. सबसे पहले AB 9.3 यूनिट का लिया, उसके बाद AB को प्रोड्यूस किया, फिर BC 1 यूनिट लिया, AC का मिड पॉइंट फाइंड किया, वो ओसी को सेंटर मानकर ए बी रेडियस लेकर एक सेमी सर्कल ड्रा किया। अब पॉइंट बी पे परपेंडिकुलर ड्रा किया जो सेमी सर्कल को डी पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट करता। नाउ टेक बी अ सेंटर एंड बी डी रेडियस, ड्रा एन आर्क। Name of this point is E. Point E is root 9.3. Right? Friends, next question is question number 5. Rationalize the denominators of the following. Rationalize the denominators of the following. इस क्वेश्चन में डिनोमिनेटर को रेशनल नंबर में चेंज करना है. We have to change the denominators in rational number. So first question is 1 by root 7. रूट 7 को रेशनलाइज करने के लिए रूट 7 से न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करना. We multiply root 7 with numerator and denominator. So root 1 by root 7 divided by root 7 into root 7 equal to 1 into root 7 and root 7 into root 7. Denominator change into rational number. 7 is a rational number. So rationalize denominators. And question number 2. Question number 2 is 1 by root 7 minus root 6. रूट 7 माइनस रूट 6 अगर हो तो इसको रूट 7 प्लस रूट 6 से न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करना चाहिए. वी मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय रूट 7 प्लस रूट 6 हियर. सो 1 into root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6. 1 into root 7 plus root 6 is root 7 plus root 6. Here root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6. A minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Root 7 square minus root 6 square. Root 7 plus root 6. Root 7 square 7 minus root 6 square 6 equal to root 7 plus root 6 by 1. Answer. Denominator is rationalized. In question number 3, 1 by root 5 plus root 2. Here also multiply numerator by denominator. Root 5 plus 2 to multiply root 5 minus 2. Root 5 minus root 2. Here root 5 plus root 2 into root 5 minus root 2 equal to root 5 minus root 2. A plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. Root 5 square minus root 2 square equal to root 5 minus root 2. Root 5 square 5 minus root 2 square 2 equal to root 5 minus root 2. 5 minus 2 by 3. Answer. Students, you can solve exercise 1.5 with the help of given examples, given solutions. Thank you. That's all.